My life as a technician in the museum, day 17. My first task was to fix Kugelbahn in Kids World. I didn't know what's Kugelbahn till this morning, and I've never been to this part of the museum before. I like the decorations. Kugel in German means a sphere, Bahn is a track. Oh, look, there is one sphere coming out. They told me that there are some more inside. Let's find out how many. Many. Ah, now I see. That's the problem. Not nice, not nice. Let's put this Bahn back. Now run some tests. Run a stress test. It works. Don't forget to celebrate. Kugelbahn is good and healthy now. Goodbye Kugelbahn, goodbye Kids World. See you next time.